Exhaustion doesn't always come from doing too much. Sometimes it comes from deciding too much, holding responsibility that was never meant to rest on your shoulders. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote invites an honest look at why you might feel so worn down, even when you're trying your best. Exhaustion often means you're carrying decisions that aren't yours to make. This quote reminds us that fatigue isn't always physical. It's often mental and emotional. We replay conversations, anticipate outcomes, manage other people's reactions, decide things that belong to time, circumstance, or someone else entirely. When we take on decisions that aren't ours, we stay on constant alert. The mind never rests. It keeps scanning for problems to solve and outcomes to control. Over time. That invisible labor drains us far more than the tasks we can actually complete. Relief begins with discernment. When you recognize what truly belongs to you and what doesn't, energy returns, focus sharpens. You stop carrying the weight of imagined responsibility and start responding to what is actually yours to handle. Here's one gentle way to use this today. Notice one decision that's been weighing on you. Ask yourself honestly whether it's truly yours to make. If it isn't, allow yourself to set it down, even temporarily. Carry that clarity with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to manage every outcome to care deeply. Sometimes rest begins with releasing responsibility that was never yours. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Discernment restores energy, and peace grows when responsibility is placed wisely. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.